Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Try English. I'm Julian.
And I'm Candice. Today's 使える英語 is What does this mean? What does this mean?
RSVP means please let me know if you will attend in French. Fun fact. SNS, Social Networking Service. DIY, do it yourself. AI, artificial intelligence.
Vocabulary list. What? Mean. Social. Yourself. The next stop is Torahime's Quiz Corner. I wonder what kind of electric appliances are there.
Air conditioner. Blender. Iron. Microwave oven. Refrigerator. Rice cooker. Toaster. That's all for today. See you next time.